After we have talked about the star Proxima Centauri in the last video, we can now focus on the main part of the system, Alpha Centauri A and B, which are regional Centaurus and Ptolemy. Viewed from Earth, the system is the third brightest star, next to Sirius and Canopus, which is why we call it Alpha Centauri. The letter Alpha indicates that it is the brightest star in the constellation of Centaurus. Perhaps I'll talk about the constellation in the next video. What makes them visible and bright is not because they are large and release a lot of energy. In fact, both regional Centaurus and Ptolemy are about the same size as the Sun. As we have discovered with Proxima Centauri, the key is that both stars are only 4.3 light years from Earth. Since, the farther the star is, the more its light spreads and the weaker we will see it at night. As a binary system, both regional Kent and Ptolemy orbit about a center of mass, which also makes their trajectories ellipse. If we pin regional Kent as the reference, the trajectory of Ptolemy will look like this. The thin elliptical orbit is the parent orbit of Ptolemy, the orbit we can observe from Earth, and the real trajectory of Ptolemy is the large ellipse shown in the figure. Scientists used to assume that Ptolemy has a planet with a mass approximately equal to the Earth in a 3-day orbit. However, this proposal has been refuted in 2015 due to the lack of evidence. Alternatively, a gas giant orbiting regional Kent has been directly observed and imaged in 2019. It is estimated to have a mass and size similar to Jupiter, but a smaller orbit, about 2 AU on average, which is shorter than 1/2 of Jupiter's orbits around the Sun. This planet is named Alpha Centaurus AB, the B here indicating it is the first and closest planet to its primary star, Alpha Centaurus A, or regional Kent. As we approach further and further away from our solar system, we get fewer and fewer insight to those stars. So, starting from the next video, we'll start talking about those stars on larger scale, constellations. See you in the next video.